Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for visiting Tarina channel. You can subscribe and click notification if you are not yet subscribed so you don't miss for next video. Now I will explain article. In English grammar there are two articles. That is indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite article is uncertain article. That is an n which used in front of singular noun which we are not sure. Article is used in front of singular noun which started with consonant. For example, 1. It is a dog. 2. It is a man. 3. It is a bag. Article an is used in front of singular noun which started with vocal. For example, 1. It is an eraser. 2. It is an hour. 3. It is an apple. 4. It is an eagle. Now, we continue with definite article, the which used in front of singular or plural noun. For example, the boy, the boys. 2. The girl, the girls. 3. The day, the days. 4. The dog, the dogs. Example for using definite article. 1. I bought a book last night, and the book is very good. 2. Yesterday I saw some dogs. The dogs were chasing a cat. 3. I meet the girl who is very interesting. 4. The president meets the doctor. Now I close explanation about article. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you leave.